If you've been trying to decide between Thrive Architect and ConvertKit for your landing page needs, you're not alone. Both are popular options in the world of digital marketing, but which one is really the best for creating high-converting landing pages? Stick around until the end because I'll be revealing a great alternative that might be exactly what you need. Let's start by comparing Thrive Architect. Thrive Architect is known for its powerful drag-and-drop editor. It gives you full control over your landing page design, offering a range of customization options. With a variety of pre-designed templates, it's easy to get started. But if you want to build something from scratch, the flexibility is there, which is great for marketers who love to tweak every little detail. Next thing to consider is speed and performance. Thrive Architect pages are known to load pretty fast, which is crucial for conversions. But depending on the complexity of your design, you may encounter slowdowns. One downside is that Thrive Architect is a WordPress plugin, so it requires a WordPress site to function, which might be a deal breaker for people looking for a standalone solution. Now let's look at ConvertKit. ConvertKit has been gaining popularity for its email marketing features, but it also offers a landing page builder. It's simple, easy to use, and works well if you're focused on building an email list. The builder doesn't offer as much customization as Thrive Architect, but if you're after something quick and effective, ConvertKit's pre-built templates and simple interface make it an appealing option. The fourth thing to consider here is integrations. Thrive Architect integrates with a wide variety of third-party tools, which can be great for businesses that rely on a bunch of different software. ConvertKit, on the other hand, has its own ecosystem, and while it integrates with a lot of email marketing platforms, it may not offer as much flexibility when it comes to other types of integrations. Another factor to keep in mind is the pricing. Thrive Architect comes with a one-time payment for lifetime access, which can be a great deal if you're planning to use it long-term. ConvertKit's landing page builder, however, is part of its subscription model, which can add up over time. Depending on your budget and how many features you need, this is something to weigh heavily. Finally, while both tools have their strengths, there's one more thing to think about. I've tested both Thrive Architect and ConvertKit myself, and while they're both solid options, if you want the best landing page software, I recommend considering a third-party alternative. The software mentioned in this video is good, but after trying all of them, I found a better solution that's more streamlined and powerful for creating landing pages with higher conversions. If you want a better alternative to Thrive Architect and ConvertKit for landing page creation, I highly recommend taking advantage of the free trial linked in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So if you're serious about landing page conversions and want a tool that makes the process easier, faster, and more efficient, don't miss this opportunity. Check out the link in the description now and start your free trial today.